Hello everyone. I just wanted to come and do a review on my Tineco vacuum cleaner that I got from Amazon. I will have the link in the description box. Also in this video, excuse my house. We've been babysitting two babies, my grandson and my niece. But this is the vacuum.
Y'all, I'm not going to even chop the name up until I watch the video and actually see how they pronounce this. I'm thinking it's Tineco, but I'll watch it and come back and tell y'all. So I watched the video, and it's actually the Tineco. I watched the review that versus this from the Dyson, and everybody in the reviews said that this was kind of better than the Dyson and actually a little cheaper. The Dyson prices I was looking at was like around the $3 something area. If you get the older model or the V6, it's like $199. Well, this one was actually $189. But I got it on Amazon with a $35 off coupon, and it ended up being around $150 something. So yes, so I'm going to do a review on this to kind of let you know what I think about the vacuum cleaner, and I'm hoping that it's going to do the trick for me with my cleaning. But I'll let y'all know once I get everything set up. I'll even let y'all know how was the setup process and if it was easy or, you know, just basically what I thought about it. And I'll be back with that.
Special thanks to my friend Shanthi from Shanti's Lifestyle. She actually told me about this vacuum cleaner for me to try it, and she actually purchased one herself. Also, Shanti's link will be in the description box.
Y'all see all the dirt that is pulling up that we didn't get before? With the old vacuum cleaner. Hold on, Riley. Look at these noodles we get on the floor that Braylon. So y'all see that, how it's sucking up? Oh my goodness. Look at this. Uh-oh. We're just gonna basically show y'all. We took the pillows off the chairs, and we're gonna show y'all how it suction. Yes, I see a lot of dust coming out. Go ahead, Kevin. I'm at Callie. Oh wait, it's a string. Don't suck the string up. Okay, go ahead. Y'all see how it's getting? So it'll allow you to do that. Look how it's sucking all that up when you want to clean out the inside. I mean, the suction on it is really good. When I tell you good, it picked up a whole quarter last night when I was vacuuming my room carpet. This is actually the second day that I've had it, and so yesterday I did the dining room. I showed y'all how it got up the noodles and stuff off the floor. Look how it picked all of that up.
That's clean.
Now it has it like really clean. Okay, you can even do the pillows on the chair. You know how you can, and look at this. Look how the, okay, you can do your curtains. You want to go up to the top. Like, you know how it get dusty up there and how you may have spider webs. You can go to the corners of your wall. Go to the corners of the wall, Callie.
Right here?
Up here.
Oh, yeah.
Above. You know how dust would be up there. With that brush, you can also do the ceiling fans. If you want to get the dust off your ceiling fans. So those are just the different things, y'all. I'm about to actually clean up in here because we've had the grandbaby all weekend. And he was our focus, so we have a bit of a mess to clean up in here. And y'all, it was rainy yesterday, so I had to put my shoes in a bag. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of give y'all a review. Callie, you can go ahead and put the pillows back on the chair.
And I can do the pillows.
Yes. And we'll be back to show y'all. She wants to show y'all the pillows. Another thing I want to show y'all is this called shoe cleaner. But it cleans any kind of stains off. So one of the children had something white. I don't know what it was, but it's been on the chair. And I've been wiping it, scrubbing it, and it won't come off. So I'm going to put this to the test to see if it works. So it comes with a brush. And put this right here. Okay, now I need you to scrub it. Yes. Scrub the spot. Y'all look at that. It has not been coming off with nothing else right here. Scrub the spot.
It's coming off.
It is. It's off.
That's all.
Y'all, this stuff is miracle. It works miracle. It's called cleaner and conditioner.
My chair dry.
And the chair feels dry. Here.
What?
It's some white spots right here. I don't know what it was, y'all.
And it's dry.
I do know we have a couple of white spots right here that Callie did.
Yeah, I mean.
Callie drooled over here. Excuse me, y'all. She drooled. She laid her head right here and fell asleep.
Hey, Paul.
And we didn't try this spot yet because this really kind of happened because
Okay.
the night we took her other bed down, she slept in here. Let me see. So we're going to try to get these white spots out. Hold on. Here, hold it towards this right here. Towards this. Let me see. See if I can get these white spots out.
It's a white spot
Make
right
sure
there.
you're getting the spot.
That's a white spot right there. And right here.
Have to put a little. Girl, your stuff is strong.
It is strong. It smells strong.
No, I said your stuff is strong.
No.
Don't get me.
I'm not. Yeah.
So
Clean
that's
the
getting
chair.
the stains off.
Very good.
I'm having to use a little bit of muscle to get it, but I don't know what kind of drool Callie got. Oh. Y'all look at that. The spots are gone. This is the finish of the chair, and then I did vacuum it, and this is how it did. Now that it's dried, all the stains are gone, as well as the vacuum came through and it's basically dried.
I can vacuum now.
Now we're gonna show y'all.
How we vacuum.
Callie said the only thing she didn't like. Stand up, Callie. Callie said the only thing she didn't like about this vacuum is the fact that you have to hold a button, which is kind of like the Dyson. You have to hold the button.
But you don't.
But let me show you what I showed her. You don't actually have to hold a button. What do you have to do, Callie? How you lock it, Callie? It's a little piece on it that you mash it down and you lock it, and you don't have to hold a button. Okay. Now, go under the chair like I showed you.
we're showing y'all that you can, look at the light. Go under the chair over there so they can see. You can bend down and get, you have to go down, Callie, to get under the chair. You can get under the chair, like for those hard to reach spots. Callie, you got to go down with it. Move, let go. You can go under the chair with it. When you get ready to come from under the chair, all you do is lift it up and you go under the chair.
Look at all that wrapper right there.
To show y'all is that it has the max, so you can cut it on, Callie. And it picks up pretty good. Look, on the rug. But it has, y'all, it picked up these feathers that was on the chair. Look, turn over. Our pillows, our blue pillows had feathers in it. It pulled they have feathers inside the pillows. So it pulled the feathers out the pillows. Turn it up. Turn it on and let's show them. It has another level, like if it's not suctioning out enough. If y'all can see that dust. Y'all see that dust that's in, a regular vacuum cleaner really doesn't get it. Look at that dust that's under the chair. But I'm going to show y'all. Look at this. Y'all see that, how the dust is gone? Look at that. It can get under there and actually get that dust. Look how it does. I see I need to lift it, get Calvin to lift the chair a little to get the other piece. But look how it's suctioning all the dust from under the chair. Okay, there we go. We get it. Just have to get the dust from right under this piece, but and I'm just gonna show y'all for a minute how and it even has a max setting, so you can like mash the max button. I'm gonna lock it, and then I'm gonna mash the max button, and it sucks even more. That's gonna get deep down in your carpet. Look at that red, whatever it is. Let me see if it'll get it. Got it. And didn't even have to go over it 100 times. And it's so lightweight. It's so strong it's blowing Kelly hair, her little braid. So, yes, I'm satisfied, y'all. So,
The only thing that I really don't like about the vacuum for real is that it's a small pocket of space that you can fit the dust in.
but it's not. That's a good thing. And y'all, the cleaning process is so easy. And I'm just going to show y'all the cleaning process of it, or how you would clean it. And after that, I'm going to be done. I just wanted to show y'all, in case somebody's looking for a Dyson like I was, or a good vacuum cleaner, and don't want to spend as much money, this is a good alternative. You're going to mash this button down, and it actually comes apart like this by mashing that button. And then what you're going to do is take this piece apart
by this, and you're just gonna go to your trash can. Sorry, y'all, excuse my brush. One of the kids wasted sweet and sour sauce yesterday when we had Chinese food on my broom. And I have to clean that. But I'm trying to do this because my help left me. Shane, come here. Hold this right here. Just like this. This camera. Hold it just like that. So I can show them. Okay, y'all, you just mash this button. And then this pops open. And then, Shane, can you run and get me a bag or something I can show them? But this is where the dirt goes that it's suctioned up. And the good part about this is you can wash it. You can rinse this out to clean it. Put it under here, Shane. So, y'all see that? And then you actually can take this part, hold this back, put that down, just hold it right here. You can actually take this part completely out and wash it. Y'all see how, hold on, Shane. Wait, no, go this way. You gotta record this way. You can take all of that off. And then you can wash this piece out. And then you twist this back in. And close your vacuum. And all you do is, Shane, I don't know what angle you at.